Hey, context of this video here. This happened yesterday on I-70, just outside of Columbus, Ohio, right at the I-70 and 270 interchange on the west side of town. On May 23rd, 2026, about 12:30, 12:45 yesterday afternoon. Let's watch the video. And would you do this? Like I said, this is I-70, west part of Columbus, going into 270. The right lane is going to be for 270 north and 270 south. The left lane is to stay straight on I-70. I am doing the speed limit. And this was 12:48, May 23rd, 2026. As you see, left lane, I-70. Right lane, 270 for both exits. As you can see, I'm passing traffic going the speed limit. And here, that semi is going to be taking 270. There's traffic ahead of me. I'm maintaining proper distance, staying in my lane. And if you look at my left spot mirror on the hood, you'll see traffic coming on my left at a high rate of speed. And here's the 270 turns. That truck is going to stay on 270. And look at both of my spot mirrors. That guy almost hit me and the Jersey wall. And then he turns around and passes his friends. Now, please do not do this out here, trying to pass traffic on the shoulders of the road. You do not know what glass, metal, etc. could be on the shoulder, or somebody's broke down on the shoulder of the highway. I had the speed down to 0.5%, so you could see how close him and his buddies were for having a major wreck. Anything could be on the shoulders of the road. Metal, glass, cars, cops, you don't know. Don't be idiots and to pass trucks and cars on the shoulders. I see it way too much anymore.